Hey everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations Auto. This is the new shop kitten that we got, just to let you guys know. And if you want to see any of her new antics, you can look down below at our other channel called Disturbing Creations Pets. Anyway, back to this video. So, as you guys know, we've been getting rid of this Audi. I've been chopping it up to get the engine out for the twin turbo for our race car, but we're just about done with the chassis. The rolling chassis. We're taking all the parts off so that we can resell those pieces to regain the money we spent on that car. We spent $1,000 on that car. We took the engine out, and we've got $700 back already, or $800 back already from scrapping the rest of the car and selling pieces. So these are the last two pieces for your Audi. If you need to get off the fuel door, if it's not latching right, if it's dented, if it's bent, if you left it open by accident, someone hit it the wrong way, very easy to change. I'm going to show you that in this video real quick. And if your door, one of your 4 doors, because we had a 4-door car, this also works on your 2-door cars as well. When you close the door, the latch from the handle on the door connects to another solid piece that kind of looks like a little prong sticking out. It might not be the door latch that's broken. It might be the prong that's bent or rusted or whatever. I'm going to show you really quick. You need a special tool, and we're going to take that out as well. That's called a triple square. You can also find that on my playlist for tools, basic tools. Look under basic tools and you'll find what a triple square is and how to use it. So let's get right into this video, show you how to take these last 2 pieces off your Audi if you need to do that. And we're done with this Audi and it's gone. All right, guys. Is there something wrong with your door, or do you have to change it or take it off for some reason? Very easy on the Audi. So it's got 2 Phillips head screws in here. We're just gonna unscrew those real quick, right in front of you. 1 and 2. And there it is. And this is your Audi door, about as quick as a minute. And you just put it in the exact same way. So I wanted to show you this part right here. Now, since we're getting rid of this Audi car, this is actually the door latch. I broke the bolts free already so you can see me take it out. But this is a steel hook, but it's made out of stainless so that it'll never rust. These are really nice hooks. Now you're gonna have to get a triple square, a special tool to get these out. They almost look like a bolt, but it's been blown out. But it comes out really easy. I just wanna show you real quick. Now these are stainless tops. Now I am going to do something with this that you would never think of. How many people go out and buy these hooks and bolt them down on their truck bed? Now this is a 4-door. It came with 4 of these and 4 bolts. And once you put this bolt in through and put a nut on the bottom of it, who's going to be able to steal this off your truck? Because hardly anyone has triple squares, you know? So, and then you can leave this out because it's not going to rust. So I'm going to use these off of this old Audi, 4 of them, to save for our new shop truck so we can strap stuff down because we don't have any ties in the back. This is a great idea, and we're not going to get anything for these if we scrap them. But if you had to go buy these, they're like 50 bucks for 4 stainless steel hooks to put on your truck. So we just got a freebie.